In this video, we will explore how to go from a table of values to an equation and a graph. Let's consider this first table of values here with um, x and y. Okay. Now, in that table of values, we notice that when x is 1, y is 5. So on our chart, if x would be 1, y would be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if x is 2, y is 8. So if x is 2, then it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And finally, if x is 3, then it would be 11. Our scale only goes till 10, so 11 would be here. Now we can see that using this, we can we can have a straight line coming through each of these points. So we know that this is a linear equation because a linear equation results in a straight line on a graph. Okay, so how do we come up with an equation? Well, if we wanted to make an equation from this, we could do this. Let's start first of all by looking at the jumps. From 5 to 8 is a jump of plus 3. From 8 to 11 is a jump of plus 3. If that pattern were to continue, then 11 to the next jump would be 14. That would also be a plus 3. So using this information, we can write the equation. We know that y is going to be equal to whatever number x is. So we will write y is equal to, here's the 3 that we got, 3x's, and the difference between 3 and 5, the difference between positive 3 and positive 5 is plus 2. There's our equation. We can check this equation. Let's put in a number. So for example, let's put in the number, let's put in the number 4 in the place of x. So we get y is equal to 3 times 4 plus 2. Well, that is y is equal to 12 plus 2, which means y is equal to 14. And indeed, we showed that y is equal to 14. Now, there's some other interesting things about this equation that we will see is we can also see that we have a plus 2 here. Notice that this line crosses the y-axis at plus 2. Also, notice that for every x that I jump, I go up 1, 2, 3. I go up positive 3. So we can see how those numbers actually show in the graph. Now, let's consider another situation where, let's say it's a cell phone use. For example, if a cell phone costs $20 plus 5 cents for every minute that you talk on the phone. So um, for the total cost for the first minute of talking on the phone would be your $20 plus your 5 cents for the first minute. The second minute you talk on the phone would be still your $20 plus another 5 cents, which would give it a total of $20.10. And for the third minute that you speak, it would be $20 plus it would be another 5 cents. So using this, we can see that we have a jump of 0.05 every time we speak. So again, we'll use this information. Cost is equal to 0.05 times the amount we talk plus, what's the difference between 0.05 and $20.05? You're right, $20. There we go. That is our formula. How could we prove it? Well, if we wanted to, what we could do is we could put a 3 instead of the t. So then we could get cost is equal to 0.05 times 3 plus 20. Well, that would equal 15 cents plus $20, which is equal to $20.15. And that's what we had. Thank you.